Hello, Holly. You sent me a question about how do we get onto the Ober Canvas site. We covered this in the Zoom session. Excuse me. Um, but first, you have to. I've sent you an email that it looks like it's pending. You haven't selected it, so you're going to get an email with a little canvas symbol. It looks like that. And it's going to say. It should say. Look, click on here to get started. And once you click on there, lead you into how to make a login, a username, and a password for your site. And then once you get into the module, so it would look like. So once you make your own password and your email and your own password, you can log in. This is what the first page should look like. Once you're in there, you can go, you'll be in the Oprah site, and then you click on the modules, and that's how you get into and you add your particular lesson to one of the modules, that whichever module you made it for. So that's how you get in there. Let me know if you have other questions. Oh, to add to your module, I think I covered this too, just to reiterate. You click on the little plus sign, you add new assignment, whatever the name of your assignment is. So I'll just do test, add item, and then click on it here. Computer's moving slow. And then you click on, once you have that, you click on edit. And once you have the edit box open, you can add whatever links, images, videos, instructions here that you would like, and then when you're done, you click save, and that's how it works. Hopefully this was helpful.